This video is going to talk about the evidence outcomes and how they're presented in the Common Sense Media lesson plan that we looked at in class, and how that differs from the CEP lesson plan template that you'll be using throughout your program. In this blue box, it talks about the students will be able to do. These are the learning targets that are presented in the Common Sense Education lesson plan. When you're using the CEP lesson plan template, and this is the current template, it may be changing in the near future, but this is what we have right now. You're going to take and list what every student will be able to do. And you're going to be using these from the standard, using the format, the ABCD format that incorporates student voice. So when we write the I can, this is in the student voice what the student can do. So if I take this first learning target, the student will be able to learn reasons that people put false or misleading information on the internet. Notice that this is in the students will be able to format as opposed to student voice. So if I transfer that into student voice, I'm probably going to say something like, I can describe the reasons why people put false or misleading information on the internet. The this means talks about what is the success criteria. How will you as the teacher know when the student has met this and is able to complete this? So we want to list in the this means portion the success criteria. This means that I can identify biases and information using the website URL. So that means if I come up to the URL and it's a .com or a .gov or a .edu, that tells me different things about the biases that the website author might be putting forward. Looking at other websites that link to this information, are they credible, and what information are they trying to promote? And then also I can know that students have accomplished this if they are looking at other information that's posted by the website author. So they're checking out the author of the website to know whether they're a credible person to be learning from. So that's how you break apart a learning target into an I can, which states what the student is going to be able to do in the student voice, and this means the success criteria that you're going to use as an educator to know that the student has met this learning target or this evidence outcome.